Thanks for joining us tonight. Two Illinois groups are pushing back against the City of Rock Island's ordinance regulating social services licensing. Now, we first told you about this last night. Now, Marshawn Gunn is here to dig into the specific legal issues and what both sides are saying. Good evening, Marshawn.
Good evening, John. Project Now and the Chicago Coalition to End Homelessness claim Rock Island's ordinance does not follow the Illinois Bill of Rights for the Homeless Act. Introduced in 2013, the act prevents discrimination against any person based on their housing status, something the group say the city has violated in multiple sections of their ordinance. But in a statement from Rock Island City Attorney, they say the regulations fully comply with the act.
I think the whole structure of the ordinance violates the law.
One of the many concerns Project Now and the Chicago Coalition to End Homelessness have is the boundary restrictions, with no new services allowed within 1,000 feet of childcare providers, school-related facilities, public parks, and many similar areas.
What we're saying is that this isn't by mistake. 1,000 doesn't fall out of the air from nowhere.
Dwight Ford says the council did their research, making sure no new services would be able to be added due to the 1,000-foot limits.
It seems based on a stereotype about homeless people that it is somehow inappropriate to have homeless people in a community with other community members.
News 8 reached out to Rock Island City Attorney Leslie Day to talk about the social services licensing ordinance. She declined to be on camera, but did reply through an email. Day says that the purpose of the 1,000-foot limit reflects a common land use tool that promotes balanced development and is not a hard restriction. Another concern is confidentiality, with shelters now being required to maintain records such as names and time at the shelter.
They may feel comfortable disclosing it to the shelter, knowing that it's not going to be shared beyond the shelter.
We did reach out about that in a follow-up email, but have not yet heard back. Day does say the ordinance fully complies with the act, as the ordinance regulates land use and facility operations, not individuals experiencing homelessness. In Rock Island, Marshawn Gunn, WQAD News 8.